something at the time. I was going through something at the time, and she was someone that was really helping me. At sinabi ko sa kanya kasi binabash ako nun, naalala ko yun, pero I really told her talaga na um, gawin na natin to ng tama. Gawin natin ng talagang kaya natin gawin.
Kasi
Let's be
lagi kami
professional
napapagalit.
together. Yeah, lagi po kami napapagalitan. Kasi dati wala talaga kaming chemistry kasi we weren't really close.
Yeah.
We
Hindi
weren't
kami
really
friends
close
eh.
at all. Hindi kami friends dati. We weren't as close as um, other people thought we were. Pero I guess throughout the journey of us being in a love team together, we learned ano yung mga ayaw ng isa't isa, ano yung mga gustong ng isa't isa. We learned how to make each other happy, and at the end, we really became friends. We became best friends.
So, Francine, paano niyo ba napag-usapan yan na binanggit ni Kyle yung conversation na yan. So, how did that happen? How did that conversation happen?
Yung alin?
Kung di ako nagkakamali, kasi parang kinausap kami noon na ayusin nyo, ganyan. Kasi, hindi ko na sabihin. Basta, sinabihan kami, kinausap kami na ayusin daw namin. So, doon nagsink.
Nasa set ata kami nun eh. I was
Ako
depressed.
sa set ata yun.
I
Doon
was
nagsink sa akin
depressed.
na, ay shock, seryoso pala to. Seryoso pala talaga sila dito. So, kailangan seryosohin ko rin. Seryosohin namin dalawa. So, yun, nag-usap kami din. Nag-open kami sa isa't isa tungkol nga doon. Tapos, ayun, naging okay naman siya na may teamwork naman sa amin dalawa. So, ayun.
This was really early
Maganda
into
yung kinalabasan.
early into Kadarang Ginto. Yeah, medyo maaga to sa Kadarang Ginto, and I was really depressed at that time. I was already thinking to myself, tatapusin ko na ba yung Kadarang Ginto tapos alis na lang ako. Di na ako magtatrabaho kasi I was getting bashed at that time, and I felt like I didn't have any friend, and Francine was really that one person, one of the only people na tumulong sa akin. One of the only people that really talked to me and really helped me. Even though we weren't as close, she was one of those people na alam ko hindi tayo close, pero kung may kailangan ka, nandito lang ako. And then there was one thing na sobrang aminin ko, kinilig ako sa sinabi niya. Sinabi niya sa akin, alam mo, I pray about you. I was just like, don't know, parang I was very touched because it's a time in life where you really feel lonely, and the people that you don't think would actually be there to help you are the people that are actually really there for you. And Francine was one of those people.
Wow.
Wow. Siguro, I just have to say na I'm just seeing a different side of your love team at the moment. I just want to honor that as well for the two of you. Kasi siguro ang nakita lang ng mga tao sa inyo is yung kilig factor, syempre yung love team. Pero talagang may story kayo, may kwento kayo. And I'm just so happy na ganyan ang support system ninyong dalawa.